This week's video is for everyone around the world, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. And if you stay until the end of this video, you'll be able to make a lot more money because I'll be showing you 3 additional websites from which you can get paid.
Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video.
Alright, so let's start right here so I can show you how you can use Google in order to get paid again and again. So if you don't want to get through PayPal, you can simply select different payment options like bank transfer, Payoneer, and etc. Anyways, let's begin with step number 1. Come over to google.com. Step number 2, you want to search for Google News. Once you search for Google News, I want you to open on the first official website, news.google.com. This is a place where you can find the latest news and the latest articles on all of the topics around the world. So it's like a newspaper. You can find everything on here. News about politics, about business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and whatever you can think of. You can find it on this website. Now, how will this make you money? How will you get your free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned and you will see exactly how this works. So here on the left hand side, you have all the categories. We have news about the world. This is about what's happening in the world right now. You have your own local news, which is something that we will not focus on. You simply want to focus only on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and mostly the health. You can see, for example, if I select the health category, that's going to give me all of the latest news and all the latest articles related to health. So let's scroll and let's find something interesting on here. So I'm interested in this article, which was uploaded just recently. And it's a really good article that a lot of people would click on. So what you need to do is open up one article. Don't worry, you will not have to write articles. And don't worry, you will not have to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing and CPA marketing or whatsoever. All you really need to do is open up that article and you just want to start copying text from that particular article. For example, I will copy this right here and I will proceed to step number 3 and proceed to the third website that we will be using, which is spinbot.com. Here you will need to paste that article which you found on Google News. Spinbot will rewrite that article for you so you can have that entire article in your own words, which means that way it becomes completely unique. You will be using those articles on 3 more additional websites which I'm going to share with you. Those websites will pay you for those articles. Some of them are literally going to pay you $1 per word. As you can see, those articles have sometimes thousands of words and you can just do the math. Anyways, once you found the article, just paste the text in this box right here, then click. Now that's going to rewrite the entire article for you. As you can see, the context is pretty much the same, but it's using different words. It is using synonyms and it's rewriting it in your own words. So you can copy that unique and rewritten article and you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for those articles. The first website that we will be using is EatingWell.com. So on EatingWell.com, you can submit your own articles. You can write articles for this website and get paid for doing that. Now, instead of you doing all the hard work of writing those articles for days, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high quality articles, and they will pay you up to $1 per word. So this is the first website And I have two more for you. So just on this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means if you get an article with 1,000 words, that can be $1,000 just for that article. And it will only take you less than 30 minutes, just copy pasting. Now, how do you actually submit your articles so you can get paid? Here on this page, you will just need to scroll down below until you can find the section where you can find their contact information. So you can just copy their email address, go to your email, and just email them with the subject line telling submission or article submission or something along those lines, and just attach the file with your own article which you created. Once you send out the email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask you for your payment details. If you want to get paid through PayPal, you will give them your PayPal and your email address. If you want to get paid through bank transfer, you will just leave your bank details. Same goes to other payment methods. Your options are endless because there are new articles on Google News that are coming in every couple of hours. So you can use those articles, rewrite them with Spinbot, paste them in a Word document or save it in your computer, and submit it to these websites. So the first one where you can submit your articles is again EatingWell.com. You can also submit articles on Shareaclub.org. This is over at their website. In order to submit your articles on this website, you simply need to email them at this email address right here. So you can copy this and go over to your email, place the contact details and the subject line. Just type in article submission and just submit your article. Now with shareclub.org, you will not only be able to submit health and fitness articles like you did with Eating Well, but you will need to find something related to technology and science. So open up an article from the category of science, then copy its text and paste it to Spinbot. Let them rewrite it for you and send it over to shareclub.org email address. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles is over at daily.jstor.org. You can go over their submission guidelines and you can read more about how it works. This website will pay you a little bit less money, but it's still a good one to use because you can earn some additional income and maximize your results with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that they will ask you only for up to 2,000 words and they will pay you around 31 cents per word. So again, it's not as high as the previous two websites, but it's still decent at 31 cents. On average, 31 cents per word is not bad at all because it will quickly add up. The more articles you submit on these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every single article will get accepted, but even if you get one article per day, and that's still hundreds, if not up to $1,000 a day, just by copying and pasting. It was all absolutely free and you don't have to wait around. You can immediately get started with this strategy. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.